Hey everybody. So one of the things that we didn't totally understand when we were booking our room way back in mid-December was the layout of how Grand Canyon National Park works. And so we're going to do a little quick walkthrough of how it works and what their motel rooms look like. So here we go. I'm currently standing in the parking lot where you're supposed to park. And as you can see here in just a moment, this is the main drag to the hotel rooms. There's hotel group number 1. And then through the trees over there, you probably can't see it. Yeah, I got another van coming by. Is hotel group number 2. And so you park up here in this upper parking lot. There is no direct way to drive down to these hotel rooms. So we're parked up here in the upper parking lot, and I've been out and about today, but this is where we parked to get us as close as we could to our rooms. And to get there, we walk this way through the end of this parking lot. Now, yesterday when we got here and I decided to unload, it took me about 3 trips. I brought the suitcases over here, and I don't think I've been the only one doing it. I drug them down this pathway. Here we go. So we get down here. I'm looking both ways. It's finally gotten quiet for a minute on this road. Then you come to the nice stairs. Well, I didn't want to carry them. I was dragging 2 suitcases, so I went this way. I know, it's a long way. And I finally made it down here to our hotel rooms, right here. We happen to be in 427. All right, we'll give you 2 here in a minute. This is our room. Have a little desk. Have a nice little bed.
We're gonna probably have a porter come down.
Oh, porter?
Yeah. And help us.
You need to call the porter?
So we're gonna walk up to the front first. So do we have to check out?
You can just
You can leave the cards here.
Nice little bathroom. It's really small, but it works. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is our room. Very basic. Very basic, but it is nice. So what?
The porter is waiting.
I hope so. It's like that up there. It's pretty. Our wood beams. Yeah, ours are at home. Still being grumpy. Ours is at home. Still being grumpy.
love the breakfast space here. I thought that was let's look at the ceilings and stuff. So this is 1920s, right? 1920s. All right. I think that's kind of cool too. You check in and check out. All right, let's go. Oh, good. Then you come down here. Something we did not do is study of the landscape conversation.
the nose.
Oh, is that what we're supposed to do? Gotta rub the nose for good luck. This, wow. It is pretty grand. I did a little bit. Look at that. What's this? I just love the ceilings. Love the ceilings. Come sit over here. You come over here. And there it is. The view. The view. One thing we didn't really have a chance. I was kind of looking for something that would say with that on there. Let's walk out on. Let's go out this way for the moment. Let's go down there. What do you want to do? I waited for you to do that. Always have to have a view of the Grand Canyon. Interesting tree. I love these trees.
Same accent. On peut les voir qu'on va être sur le centre prime. C'est ça, on est à peu près, je pense, peut-être 30 km. Il y a une traîne que tu peux traverser et remonter de l'autre côté dans le centre prime. Fait que à la fin du voyage, la dernière journée avant d'aller prendre l'avion, on va aller de l'autre côté. La trail que je voulais faire fermée, la Bright Angel Point. Ah ouais. Ouais, 25 km.
Ah, ok. C'est ça, 25 km?
Ouais, 25. 27 que je prends là, mais ça va par là-bas, puis ça a l'air moins beau par là-bas.
We'll have to come back to that. Actually, forget it. I'm doing it right now. I don't know where it goes. Holy cow. If I would have known this was here. Wow. So it is literally built on the edge. It's the front window looking out. This is built on the edge of the Grand Canyon. I mean, you don't get any more on the edge than this. It's beautiful. All right, continue my walk. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Another beautiful view. Ooh. There we go, baby. One more beautiful grand view. Hello. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful and a little high.
Yeah. You want to look down, but
It's okay. My wife's not down here. She's in the lodge waving at me right now.
oh yeah.
Maybe see some buildings there on the south end of the lake today.